Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and you're about to go and watch the cinematic on foot for this. The 2019 Nike SB Raygun tie-dye Dunk Low. I don't even know why I looked at it there. So yeah, you're about to look at this on foot in a cinematic style-y, kind of what we do around here. So go and watch that now. It's somewhere. Anyway, go watch. Whoa, yeah, I hope you like that. That was, we haven't done one of those for like so long. It's just, I don't even know what to call it. It's like a cinematic on foot thing. And if you're totally confused by what that was that you just watched and you want to know who I am, well, my name is Mr. B and this is Pint of Stuff, and we tend to do sneaker unboxings. We want to do more regularly, and I haven't done for a long time, these cinematic on foot things. And we stream every Sunday night. Sneaker streaming Sundays at 8 PM UK time. That would be 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. So yeah, that's what we do, but more back to the shoe. Oh, and of course, if you haven't subscribed by now, it's somewhere down there. Don't forget to do that, and don't forget to smash the notification bell, all those things. And of course, if you like that bit, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, just give us a thumbs down. That's all cool as well. That's all cool. So back to the shoe. So first of all, have a look. It is the 2019 Dunk Low. It's the tie-dye, well, it's the Raygun tie-dye. Have a look at the little dude there. Like, look at the detail of the stitching on that. But I want to say, these are super nice. Like the materials, like have a look. I think SJ's filming of the materials on that cinematic on foot. Hopefully it came across. Super soft leather, like so nice, so nice. I know I complained about the stitching on the back and that I didn't think it was straight, but to be fair, that's always the case on the Nike SB Dunk. It's a great shoe. I'm kind of gutted I haven't got the Away, but the home, like the leather on this, I'm just gonna push it, and like, it is so good, it's so soft. And have a look at the bottom there. These didn't actually mark in that on foot, like you can't really see that, but they didn't mark in the on foot. They just look so good. These, and I think like, SJ was like, it's just a black sneaker, it's just a black sneaker. It's not just a black sneaker, it's got the tie-dye bit here, and it's such a great story that goes with, obviously, the fact that Rayguns, from way back, the original, the Roswell piece, also super original. But I think, you know, the fact that they've got the tie-dye piece from a Sandy Bodeka, sort of tribute, really, tribute to him. That is the founder of SB. That's a really, really nice touch. And as always, Nike SB puts a really nice story behind the shoes that it puts out. I know that this particular shoe, the black, was easier to come across than the, which is the home, than the Away, which was the white pair. And the white pair I've seen, they're all tie-dyed across here, which is kind of like, I wish they'd have figured out a way for this, but I'm going to keep them like this. White or black laces, everyone. Like, I thought I was going to put in the black, but I'm actually really feeling the contrast of the white. And I think in the video, I think that shows really well, particularly if you wear black pants, black trousers, black cords, black jeans, whatever you want to wear. I think if you wear black, I think the white just contrasts really well, particularly if you're wearing black and then you've got this white here and then black again. It just works really well. So I'm really pleased that we've added these to the collection. I'm really happy that I've actually managed to do one of those cinematic on-foot things, because I'm telling you what, like, I love doing them. Like, they're amazing. They just take more time than actually editing, oddly, the unboxings. I think it's because I really have to think about chopping it up and stuff. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, all of that stuff. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you. Thanks to all the subscribers, but thank you in particular, yeah, because you've made it this far. I'm sure the end card is flowing up now, you know, that bit where the video moves, it goes sort of, goes that way. Somewhere over there, there's a video. Google, YouTube, not Nike. I'm sure Nike would love to own YouTube, but they don't. Can't own everything. YouTube are going to suggest something over here. It would do the channel loads of good if you just went and watched one of those. That's all you have to do. And I'm going to try and put one of our older cinematic on foot so you can see kind of what we've done in the past down here. I'd probably put one for a dunk. Actually, what I might do is I might put the Dunk High Reese Forbes from like 2 or 3 years ago. It is one of the first videos we ever made, but it's over there. Go watch. I think the cinematic piece still stands up, even if that's what we wasn't calling them then. Anyway, honestly, I'm out of here now. I will see you later, and we'll see you in the next video. Have another look at this.